Hi, this is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. Welcome back. Have you ever thought about doing a particular setting using your existing gel prints? What you have here in mind is I took some stencils and did a background wall, and then I took an existing gel print and made the flooring like linoleum. And this makes for a nice scene piece. It's very simple to do. It's another option of using your prints, another way of using your prints. Um, you can have a room scene that's a vase with flowers on a table, or you can do a garden scene, or you can do a park scene that sky's the limit. And it's pretty simple. Just decide what your subject is going to be. But first, start with your background. Now I placed a sofa in mine with sofa pillows and a throw along the back. Um, this is going to be part of the subject. And this is just like a living room piece and a piece inside the home. That gives a nice scenery. And then had my flooring there behind it. And now I've brought a woman in, a lady, as my subject in this piece. And she's dressed up. Perhaps she's getting ready to go out, or perhaps she's just come back, but she adds a nice touch with the pop of color in her clothing to this piece. I brought in a clock and some curtain draperies on the other side to bring a nice balance to this simple collage piece. It's a wonderful way of taking your existing gel prints and creating something fun with it. That might be something you would like to try. And all you need is just some paste and cut your pieces according to the story you want to tell or the scene that you would like to depict. This was a fun piece. Well, keep doing art, keep thinking outside the box. Till next time.